As an executive, I am a huge Excel fan to the point where I'm even a Microsoft MVP for Excel. But running a business was a whole different level, and I needed to build something that was beyond spreadsheets. I needed collaboration, I needed real-time updates, the bullet points. So let's log in and let me show you real quick what this can do. I'm not going to spend a ton of time going through everything. This is just a quick high level. You're going to see across the top are all of the modules, and everything comes included when you sign up. So you can manage projects, SOPs, goals, company roadmaps, their Gantt charts, so you can manage projects as well, customer profiles, so you know who you're targeting, your calendar for scheduling, performance reviews, flow charts, org charts, scorecards. That would be like an applicant tracking type system or vendor management, sales and leads for CRM. You can budget in here. You got your vision tracker so that your meetings are staying on track, and then roles for things like job descriptions. This is the main time clock area here. So this is where you can add your time, projects, jobs, things like that, and make sure hours are correct. Your tips, bonus, commission. We've got GPS here. You can punch employees in and out or yourself. The employee side is very similar in setup here, where they have access to everything that you have access to, but you can set up various permissions to make sure that they are seeing the modules that you want to have for your business, and then that the things within the modules. So for example, if you've got performance reviews and you only want certain people to see them, you assign them, and then vice versa. They can assign things as well. So if I click on projects, just for an example real quick, we've got all of our projects here. You've got your people who are owning the projects. And when employees log in and they see the same page for the projects that are assigned to them or public, they can know exactly what to work on every day. And that is the great thing. There is no ambiguity. It is just, this is what I need to work on. I can click on SOPs and see exactly what my job instructions are. You can click on them, again, share them with who's relevant. If you've got salespeople and you want them tracking leads in the CRM, you just go there. If you want to work on scheduling people to make sure everyone knows when they're supposed to work and where, things like that, this is where you go for that. Paid time off will come through here as well and show, so that you've got the full picture of who's available and what's going on in the business. And then you've got your dashboard here in the lower right and your summary as employees are clocking in, so you can quickly see what's going on. This is where the generated invoice function is as well. So you can choose the times here for whoever you want to appear on the invoice and generate an invoice here. We've got the module, you can fill it out and download your invoice. So you've got an audit log as well, worth mentioning, because anytime there's edits and things like that, punches happening, you want to make sure that you know who did what. You've got your punch kiosk up here if you've got a single device that you want to just use for an office, for example. And then there's a help section here for videos so that you can check out what's going on. All admins are entered as admins. You can choose whether they are managers or not, but they also have an employee role. So if you want as an admin to be tracking your time as employees do, you automatically get that. And every seat is considered active. Here you can deactivate and activate, and that is who you pay for, only the active users. So if I go here to view all my employees, you can see you've got your admins here and whether they're managers and who they're assigned to, but then everyone also, like I said, has the employee function. So that's everything in a nutshell. The point was to be ultra super easy, one-click dashboard. Everyone has visibility, transparency, everything is accurate, and it's all in one place.